We start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for buy. And even in my last analysis, when the price was within this, we mentioned if we get any, we mentioned we're looking for buy. We had a few opportunity to look for buy. One was this correction and even this small correction. And one of the option was to have entry above this top. Okay. As we were, as I mentioned, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. Whoever get the trade either from any of this correction or having entry above this, they should start to manage, at least move their stop loss to break even. Right now, we want to see what's the next. In this case, we move to daily chart. Okay, as we can see, even based on daily chart, since the price was within this move, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. Right now, we want to see whether the price can break the previous top because we're looking for continuation. That's why anyone get any trade within this move, they have to start to manage in case the price cannot break the previous top, which is 0.09. Okay, mostly we're looking for the breakout and the continuation, but we should know may the price even break, then this correction turn to a deeper correction. Either we get a reversal or we get the bigger correction at the top. We are not looking for the correction or the reversal. We're looking for continuation. The only things I mentioned, the only reason I mentioned is that if it's happened, if the price cannot break 0.09 for uncontinuation, at least we should know how to manage the trades we get within this move. Okay. Anyway, we want to see what's the next. Can we look for the next trade setup? And if we move to 4 hour chart, as we can see, almost price is at the near to the previous top. We want to see whether the price can break and continue or not. Right now, we don't have any trade setup because if we want to look for trade, we need to get the correction. And in this case, if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, even based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is, as I mentioned, we have to start to manage whatever the trade we have within this move. And we want to see whether the price can break or not. If the price break and continue any flag or correction above that, above 0.09, we can look for trade. But beside that, we should know that buying a boat, as long as the price haven't break the previous top or we don't see the continuation, if we want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful. That's why we have to get the correction. Okay, and right now the price almost tight, and if we see there is, the price break and continue any flag or correction above that, also we can look for the next trade. Okay, but we have to get the flag or correction because we don't want to buy at the top, then it turns to either deeper correction or reversal. All right. Anyway, right now the only things we do is to manage whatever trade we have, and we wait for the next correction to look for trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share, but mostly we're looking for continuation. Thanks.